Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today, back in my little English cottage garden, the front. You see my beautiful hedge there. These are some of my Hemerocallis, the Latin. It's a daylily. That's a nice yellow one there. There's another one there, and there's the big showy purple one. What I've done is last year I split it, put it into pots. So I've got one here, which I'm happy with, position. I've already took this one out of the pot. This one here. Just going to be showing you how to go about planting them from the pots into the borders. You can plant these any time of the year, but you're better if it's spring or autumn, because it doesn't tend to dry out too much. If you plant them in this summer, the height of summer, here in the UK, you do have to make sure they don't dry out. So you do have to be on top of your watering. But it's like a well-drained soil, not too much clay in it, full of nutrients, and you'll get a really good show off them. So yeah, what I tend to do is just place the pots where I think I'm going to want them in my border, and then just stand back and have a look, see if that's alright. And this one could just do going a little bit further back. Spot on there. A bit better. Yeah, happy with that. So let's get the holes dug out first. Let's just have a look here. Nearly finished digging the holes out for it. As you can see, it's really nice and good quality soil here. So that's that dug out. You want to try and plant it the same level we've got it in the pot. Oh, that's spot on. And all you need to do is just go around, make sure you fill it all in, all the way around. No any gaps, otherwise the roots will dry out. Yeah. So make sure. Then what you need to do is then just give it a quick water. Not quick water. Make sure you water it well in. That way any gaps in the soil down the sides, the water will take the soil down there. That's what it's doing. Great. What I tend to do with these is all these daylilies, every probably 3 years, dig them up, divide them. They just seem to reinvigorate them. The perennial flower, as it says, it's a daylily, so they are only short flowered like for a day, but you get one after the other for at least a few weeks. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. Yeah, that's my daylilies planted, as you can see. Really nice healthy one there, and one there. They look really nice in my perennial cottage garden border. Yep, looking really well. Get some nice flowers off this year. If you have any questions regarding anything I'm growing, if you've got any questions regarding anything I'm growing in my cottage garden this year, please just message me, comment, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching.